Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy, okay, and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Two of Pentacles. Gemini, this is your current energy. Oh my god, oh my god. And these are your partner's current energy. Now let's talk about your current energy. We have Two of Pentacles with us. Gemini people, at this point of time, you are being a great juggler in life, okay? Perhaps you are somebody who has a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, okay? You are somebody who has a lot of things to do in life. You are somebody who is bringing balance into your life, or you are trying to bring balance into your life. You are juggling so much in life right now. And with this Two of Pentacles card, I can see that there are a lot of emotions within you. You have emotions for your person. You have emotion for the people around you. You have emotions for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones. But it is just the fact, it is just the thing that you are not getting your time. You are not getting your enough time to spend your the quality time with your family and friends and your lover or the person with whom you are in relationship right now, okay? And that thing is making you at certain point of time you feel like um, really tired, okay? And uh, you feel really worried. So yes, I can see that you have a lot of responsibilities, okay? Plus you are somebody who is trying to bring balance into your life. You're trying to take all the things on at the same time. You want to do a lot of things at the same time. That thing is making you really big time juggler, okay? And you are somebody who doesn't have time for your own self, okay? You perhaps you want to spend some time with yourself. You don't want to talk to somebody. You don't want to be in any social group. But right now you are like so busy in life, okay, that you are not getting your own free space. Yes, so Gemini, I feel this is your current energy. Now let's talk about your partner's current energy. The Lovers and Nine of Pentacles. Gemini people, I feel that your person loves you really much, okay? And I feel that you also love them, because this Lover card is saying to me that it is a mutual love, it is a mutual connection between you and them, okay? And yes, with this Nine of Pentacles card, I feel that your person is projecting themselves as somebody who is very independent in life, who doesn't want to dependent on anyone for their happiness. They are the one who don't rely on other person for their happiness. So perhaps they are showing you that, hey, I don't need you, okay? I don't need you anymore. Or they must be giving you some hints that I mean, you are there or you are, I mean, they don't even care that whether you are going to be there or not, okay? So they are just projecting themselves as they'll be really happy, or they are really happy, they are independent, they are self-sufficient, they can make themselves happy, okay? They have all the things in life. They have good family, they have good friends, they are earning well, they have a lot of stability in their life. But yes, one thing which I can see with this card, this person is not happy, because when it comes to emotion, okay, when it comes to love thing, okay, they don't have anyone apart from you. That's why they feel mutual connection with you. They feel soul connection with you, right? They are somebody who is master to, hide their emotion. They are someone who never confront their emotions, okay, in front of you, but deep down in their heart they genuinely loves you. Okay, so these are your partner's current energy, Gemini people. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you. So we have Knight of Swords. Okay, so Gemini people, you see them as somebody who is a doer, okay, who doesn't believe in talking only. You see them as somebody who can take action rapidly, okay. You see them as someone who always available for their friends, who is always available for their family, who is always available for their loved ones whenever they call them for any kind of help, be it emotional, financial, physical, or spiritual or social. So they are somebody who is always available for their loved ones, okay. So yes, that's what I'm seeing with this card, Knight of Swords. Moreover, you also see them as somebody who never hesitate to take action, who know what is good for them, who know what is good for their loved ones or the people who are connected with them. So you feel them at you see them as somebody who never hesitate, okay. They always take decisions and they believe in taking decisions, right? Now on the other hand, your person sees you as somebody who, I told you that you are somebody who is a big time juggler. You have a lot of responsibility in your shoulders, right? And with this Four of Pentacles card, your person is also seeing you as somebody who has a lot to achieve in life, right? And you are somebody who, perhaps you want to earn a lot of money at this point of time. Your focus is to earn more money. Your focus is to stay I mean, to get a stable job or stable career. So basically they are seeing you as somebody who is very much obsessed about money right now. Perhaps you want a new career, perhaps you want a new job, perhaps you want a uh, salary hike or something like that. So you are being somebody who does not want to leave your money at any cost, okay. And yes, and when it comes to emotions at this point of time, you are not seeing anyone, okay. You are not uh, involving with any other person, okay. You are not getting close to anyone right now on emotional basis, right? Okay, now let's see, Gemini people, how a person feels about you or how you feel about them. Let's see. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Okay. So we have Six of Swords. Gemini people, you feel about your person as they are somebody who is moving out from this relationship. Perhaps you feel that they don't want to be with you. They don't want to be in this relationship anymore. They don't want to get hurt in this relationship. Okay, so they are choosing their own path, right? So you are seeing them as somebody who is moving out from this relationship. You feel that they are, maintaining distance from you, okay. When it comes to emotions, they are not revealing what is going on in their heart and mind. They are being somebody who is hiding their emotions. They are being somebody who is hiding their pain, or they are being somebody who is hiding something from you, right? And sometimes you feel that your person don't want to be in this relationship. Sometimes you feel that this person just want to move out from this relationship, okay. They don't want to, perhaps they don't want to face the bad situations. Perhaps they are like really scared, okay, to get hurt at the end. So they are being somebody who is moving out from this relationship, okay. So that's how you are feeling about them, Gemini. On the other hand, your person feels about you with this Four of Swords that you are being somebody who is not interested in this relationship anymore. They feel that you are there for them, but you are not there for them. You are they feel that you are losing interest in them. They feel that you are losing interest in this relationship. They feel that you don't want to continue this relationship with them. They feel that something is bothering you, which that's why you have kept this relationship on hold. And with this Four of Swords card, they also feel about you, Gemini, that you are being somebody who is like, who is not even who doesn't even care about this relationship. Okay, you are just being very very much ignorant towards this relationship. And yes, so they, bottom line is that they feel that you are not giving them what they deserve. You are not doing any efforts to make this relationship happen. You are uh, they feel that you are not interested in them. Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship, or how they feel in this relationship. Oh my God, Four of Wands, Chariot. So you feel in this relationship, or you feel with your person in this relationship as it is like a dream come true. It is like a wish come true for you, Gemini. I feel that you have manifested about for this person from a very long time, or you have been manifesting about this person from a very long time, and now they are into your life. You know that they are the only person with whom you would like to see yourself in future. Okay, and you know that this is the person with whom you can spend rest of your life. With this Four of Wands, I'm seeing a great celebration. I'm seeing some great or some big occasion, some big celebration is going on, some party is going on, or I feel that you really want to marry them, right? With this Four of Wands, this is a manifestation card. This is a card of law of attraction. So perhaps you are attracting your person through law of attraction techniques. So keep manifesting, right? On the other hand, Chariot, perhaps you guys are dealing with Cancer with this Chariot card. Okay, so your person feels in this relationship that if I am into this relationship with my person or with my Gemini person, though, so that means that we should contribute on equal level. Okay, it's not that it's me who is putting all the efforts into this relationship. No, they want you, they all, I mean, they want you to contribute in this relationship as well. Perhaps they feel sometimes that it is only them who is, thinking about you. It is only them who is wanting to talk to you. It is only them who wants to take certain action towards you or towards this relationship. But what they need or what they want from you is, from this relationship, is that they want you to contribute in this relationship. Okay, they want you to open your heart in front of them. They want you to uh, confess your things or convey your feelings to them, right? They feel that both of you can make a very good pair. Both of you can make this relationship on a great height. But it's it can only happen when you both of you are ready to invest your equal time, effort, energy, right? Only then it can happen. Otherwise, okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential for Gemini? What's going to be the future potential for Gemini? Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. New beginning is arriving in your life, Gemini people. And with this Ace of Pentacles, I feel that whatever you are going through right now, because I told you in the beginning of this reading that you are being a big time juggler. Perhaps you are worried about your new job, or perhaps you want to switch to a new job, or perhaps you want to settle down in a new job. Okay, so whatever it is, it is the case, I'm seeing that with this Ace of Pentacles card, you are definitely going to get some new opportunities in your life, be in terms of new job, in terms of new career. Perhaps you are getting a salary hike. Okay, And apart from that, in this relationship, if I talk about from this relationship perspective, I feel Gemini, with this Ace of Pentacles card, you are definitely going to start something new with your person, right? Perhaps you guys are going to, moving out somewhere. Perhaps you guys are going to spend a lot of time with each other. Perhaps you guys are going to spend quality time with each other. Okay, and in future I'm seeing that you guys are going to talk to your to your person openly. Okay, see, these are my concern and I want you to behave like this, or these are my things, I want you to understand my situation, or I want you to understand my things, right? So a lot of communication is going to take place in this relationship in future. Perhaps some new beginnings are also arriving. um, I told you that some new beginnings are also arriving in this relationship. So let's see what happens with you. But yes, something is definitely going to start. Now let's see what angels are saying. Let's take some angel guidance. Angel guidance for Gemini people, please. Angel guidance for Gemini people, please. Take action. Gemini people, if you are holding back, if you are thinking that, oh, what if I'll come forward and talk to my person, what if I come forward and open my heart in front of my person, and what if they are not understanding my situation, then what will happen? So please don't think anything negative about this situation or this relationship. Okay, just take action, as angels are also advising you right now, right? So Gemini people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another Gemini with this Lovers card. We have Cancer in this reading, so most of you must be dealing with Cancer too. With this Chariot card, we have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading with this Knight of Swords, Six of Swords, and Four of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign Taurus or Capricorn with this Two of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles, right? And some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands card. Gemini people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.